हेलो टीचर, मैं जय कुमार स्मार्ट इन्फो विजन से। आज मैं आया था ओखला में किसान सर के यहाँ, और यहाँ पे एक स्टूडियो सेटअप हुआ है। तो चलिए हम बताते हैं स्टूडियो में क्या क्या लगा है। हमारा ये 75 इंच का पैनल है, अल्फा 13 प्रो। और सामने PT-8 4 के कैमरा लगा है, दो मॉनिटर हैं, 24 इंच के कर्व मॉनिटर हैं। और एक सर्वर है, एक सैनाइजर माइक है, 8 पीस लाइट है 2x2 की। चलिए हम सर से पूछते हैं कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट इनको कैसा लगा, और हमारे टीम को बेंचमार्क को या हमारे लिए क्या आप फीडबैक देंगे।
Hey guys, my name is Zishan and I hope you are doing very well. So I'm here now ready with the setup. I'm very much thankful to the one and only one, the founder, the CEO of Infovision, Mr. Chandan Mishra. Hey, Mr. Mishra, if you're listening to this video, I must tell you, you are doing an amazing job. And I see a lot of conviction and dedication as we spoke the other day. We had a conversation and we talked about it. So Infovision is a company, is not the first company when it came to get my studio setup done. I perhaps spoke to a lot of company, did a lot of R&D, and there is a reason that I did not want to compromise in terms of quality. So my search ended with this company who has provided me benchmark amazing studio setup. It looks amazing. Yes, if there is anything in terms of technical glitch, I'll certainly reach out to the team. The company has assured me, but so far the experience is amazing. It's a beautiful day for me. It's a beautiful environment over here, and it's a big day for me. And I'm going to shoot now. So educators who are watching this video across India, you should not. I'm not saying that you should not think it. You should not do R&D before say years to Infovision, but I'm telling you, I'm not doing any promotion. I'm doing it because it came from my heart that yes, I'm very happy with the setup. I'm very happy with the team. Spoke to Dheeraj Mishra, who has been with me for a very long time. Mr. Ajay, who has done this entire setup. He has been very patient. बिकॉज जब एक एजुकेटर्स के पास जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, अगर आप उस रिक्वायरमेंट को अगर आप समझ गए, क्योंकि हम उतने हम उतनी टेक्निकल चीज़ें समझते नहीं हैं, तो हम ज़्यादातर आपकी ही पूरी टीम पर डिपेंड करते हैं। तो हम आप छोटी छोटी चीज़ भी आपसे पूछेंगे। हमारा जो कोर काम है वो टीचिंग का है, और हमारा जो कोर काम है अगर हम उसी पे फोकस करेंगे तभी हम ग्रो कर पाएंगे। एंड बेंचमार्क एंड इन्फोविजन विद द वेरी beautiful collaboration, they are doing amazing thing that you don't have to do anything in terms of technicality. You just have to switch on the system, yeah, and you come before your panel and start recording and sharing it on YouTube, Insta and all. And yes, we're gonna watch you. So all you need to do is focus on your teaching and your delivery, because rest of the things have been assured, rest of the things have been done by Infovision. So in the end, I would like to say to all the educators out there, if you are looking out for such setup, you should say it's a big yes from me. It's a high recommendation from me being an educator, because I'm very happy, and a high recommendation to this company as well. I wish a phenomenal success to the CEO and the founder, Mr. Dheeraj, Mr. Chandan Mishra, and this company and the entire team. Yes, feedback is always there. I would also like to add that always work in a team, right? Because alone you cannot do everything, but yes, together you can do a lot of things. So I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.